VidCon. And there are another things added. The ingredients should be easily available in this lockdown period, and it should be easy preparation because others should able to cooperate, and it should not be successful only. So this is what we thought about the contesting in the MasterChef challenge, and how we started it.
Then,
So over to Anjali.
then coming to the day of contest, it was the most awaited day, I guess. There was lot of discussions going among the contestants, like how they will upload their photos and videos. There might be some congestion, some network issue, or mixing up of the videos. So we had a backup plan, which was ready with us. That was to keep the control with us. So with our permission, only one contestant was allowed to upload their videos and photos. So in all, it was a very, very, very smooth process. So organizers just sorted out, clubbed the photos and videos of each contestant, and then we forwarded to our judges.
Here I present our judges, esteemed judges. We welcome the judges, Dr. Vaijayanti Devdar, Dr. Suvarna Joshi, and Dr. Meenakshi Bhagli.
My God.
So we would like to have conversation with the judges. Like first question I'll ask to Dr. Vaijayanti Devdar. How was your experience to judge an online MasterChef contest?
Yeah, can you have that slide where we have a photo so that we can see while she is answering?
Oh my.
Yes, please. Yeah,
Yes,
that's what we
yes.
want. Yeah.
Okay. Now, at the outset, first let me thank Gitanjali and her team putting their trust in me and asking me to judge this unique POS online market. It was a great experience, but was one of the most difficult. I think I could have passed some exam, but judging this was even more than an exam. And you know what? I'm a foodie, so I was following each and every recipe very carefully. My eyes were focused on my this mobile screen for 3 hours, almost without a blink. But we tell our patients that you should blink in between. I just couldn't take my eyes off. And you know, each recipe was excellent, and it was lip smacking, mouth watering. The only thing that we could not, our taste buds could not feel them. And I kept imagining the tremendous effort which was put by each and every contestant, and not only them, but their uh, family members, including their husbands or wife or the children. Everyone took part, and though I don't know whether we are all technologically savvy or not, but it was a very good upload. And as Mukesh and the organizer said, that each one was given about 4 or 5 points to which they had to adhere. That challenge was also very well taken care of by all the participants, and they kept to the rules very well. And I wish I could taste all the vegetarian dishes. Sorry for the non-veg entry because I am a vegetarian, and I thoroughly enjoyed this. And yeah, I wish good luck to all the participants, and then let us wait for the results. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, Dr. Vaijayanti ma'am. Next question goes to Dr. Suvarna Joshi ma'am. What challenges did she face while judging a dish?
Yeah, hi everyone. So
Dr.
I
Suvarna
totally
ma'am?
agree.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you see me?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
we can see you.
Yes, ma'am.
So hello everyone. Again, I thank everyone, POS and Gitanjali's ideas, and I totally agree with Dr. Vaijayanti Devdar ma'am that it is really, really very difficult for us to be the judges. I would have probably preferred being a contestant had I known that it's going to be so tough to judge. And see, the difficult part was that, you know, you judge the food not just by the presentation, but it's a combination of when you go to a restaurant and order a dish, so how it's presented, how it smells, the yummy and the appetizing smell, the aroma, and the taste. So these all three things have to be put together to make the wholesome food, and that's how we can judge it. So, so over here, we did have very good presentation. So the visual aspect was very good. We could see how the food was being prepared, but of course we missed the aroma, we missed the taste. But then we had these other criteria for judging, so it was made a little easy for us by the organizers. And again, I want to thank Dr. Seema and Dr. Pranjali. They were so active, and they were encouraging all the contestants all throughout that 5 or 6 hours period. So hats off to the whole team.
Thank you,
Thanks a lot.
ma'am.
I guess the real beneficiaries were the family and kids who tasted the delicious food. So
Absolutely.
all the participants are winners.
Judges just had to have a dry, you know, the visual aspect and judge. I think the family people benefited from the taste and the smell.
Yes.
Let's wait for the loud.
Ma'am, even the audiences were winners. Even my family got to taste a few dishes.
So coming to next question to Dr. Meenakshi Bagli, ma'am. How will you rate the contest and the idea of?
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Very clearly.
Hello, everybody. Thanks a lot for having me as a judge, and it was a great experience. Gitanjali, you and your team was excellent. The whole contest went off so well. The idea was really innovative, and whenever I discussed it with my friends or family, they all were really so happy to hear that something like this could take place in US. And our member from Australia joining it really took it to a very higher level for MasterChef Australia also for us. And it actually changed the mood of everybody. I think in this lockdown period, this idea and this contest really made us, think about different ideas of presentation, of ingredients, of about food. So it was a really great experience. And the idea of incorporating this POS 3 words was very unique, and it helped actually, like when we were judging also, we were thinking about all the ingredients and how they've used all these ingredients. So it was really a very good idea, and I think it was a great family bonding time for all the contestants,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
whole family was involved in preparation, cleaning the kitchen, and then tasting, of course. So, in all, a great idea, Gitanjali. Hats off to you and your team.
Thank you, madam.
Now we'll have a first audience poll. So it is
Mukesh, to take over for the audience poll, please.
Yeah, it's fastest finger, please. Fast.
Fastest finger, you should immediately send the answer.
Question is, how many judges were there to evaluate the contest? 1, 2, 3, 4. Please type your answer in the chat box.
Seema, your voice is cracking.
how many judges were there to evaluate? Answers are 1, 2, 3, 4. It's fastest fingers.
Yeah, because everybody's
Himanshi was the
fingers are fast, so I'll be taking note of the top three which comes to my chat.
Yes.
Yes. Go to the next question now. Time is enough.
Yeah, we can go ahead, please.
Who are the winners for this question? This poll?
Okay. We congratulate all the contestants for coming up with such unique style of cooking and presentations. There was एक से एक बढ़िया dishes. We could not taste the food, but we sensed your efforts, creativity, enthusiasm. So this is a small video for you all with your dishes, with your presentations.
So this was Dr. Asmita Yardi. Mango upside down cake.
Yeah,
That is
mango upside down cake.
Yeah, that is Dr. Suni with
That is
multigrain
Dr.
pastry
Suni
dosa.
Abraham. With actually, we had already.
Yes. So you can just look at the presentation of the dishes. So beautifully everyone has done. This,
Wow, well gone. So I congratulate all contestants, and that made a very tough time for the judges, and it was very good time for us. So there is one first question to the judges, Dr. Vaijanti Devdar. Like, should we conduct non-academic seminars best type in future?
Oh, yes, yes. Why not? Because see, there is a great variety of talent in all our POS members, and we can have non-academic seminars on various topics. I know that Abha can take seminar on yoga. She's already doing one, but we can have it as a usual affair. Then each seminar need not be a competition. We can just have it, as uh, show or something from which all of us can learn. And some suggestions I can give, and there can be topics like poetry, which can be either written or you can recite someone else's poem, or there can be a seminar on
Competition
singing,
judge.
dancing, because I'm sure there's a variety of talent in all of us, and this platform can be used for the showcase. Then we can have storytelling, photography. I think we are seeing every day beautiful photographs of nature and people, but this can also be a regular seminar. Then one more suggestion I would like to have. Let's say most of us are traveling either all over India or even overseas. So we can have a seminar where they can have a slideshow or tell us something about the places which they have seen either in India or overseas, or whatever the POS has. We have done our overseas CMEs, so we can have a presentation of that CME also. So I think could have I have given some examples, and we can definitely have more seminars which could be out of the box and not related to academics.
okay, thank you, madam. We can have one seminar on shopping as well. There are so many ladies who can give us guidance about
That would be an
shopping.
endless one.
So not like this.
Time will not be enough.
Now the second question is, I think, for Dr. Suvarna Joshi. Express or talk few words about contestants.
Yeah, actually, it's really heartwarming to see that all our contestants who are accomplished eye surgeons and doing fantastic work in their professional capacity are also excellent cooks. So, and they've come out with such a wide variety of food items. Like it was actually very difficult because we didn't have categories to judge, like the dessert or the starters, the main course, but the spectrum was super. And all of you have been really very, very innovative. And the best part I liked is that you all have come out with ideas where the ease of preparation was really taken into account. The availability of the ingredients, because this is very difficult to get all those things in the period of lockdown. So all of you have come up with, recipes where the ingredients are easily available. We all have them at home all the time. And from that, you all have come up with such innovative recipes. And I've really tried. I have tried about 4 or 5 of those recipes so far, and they've turned out really well. So I really want to congratulate all of you, and I only wish that this passion of ours continues even after the lockdown, because we should not get again jump into that fray and get into that rat race where we don't have time to spare for our passion, for our liking, for our hobbies. So this is given the time, and I think all of you have involved your family members in that. So, I mean, it's very obvious, I think, that your family members, some of them have helped you with the preparation. The husband is doing the video shooting, and all of them, at the end of the day, they enjoyed your treats. And I'm sure they all congratulated you on your wonderful efforts. So again, thanks everybody for participating and turning out such great dishes.
Yeah, I remember Arundhati had shared that her husband has edited, her children have helped her in shooting. She was so enthused about writing in hurry that she even missed the spelling of sun as sun. So it was so much of enthusiasm, and good, it was the whole family got involved into this activity. So I'm very happy about that. So the next question is for Bhagli Madam. How did you find the key points for evaluation? Madam, can you hear me?
Hello?
Ha, madam. Yeah.
The key points which you had suggested were really beneficial, because it was really tough to judge so many lovely entries. And there were 5 points on which we judged all the presentation, all the contestants. First was presentation, that is the appearance of the dish. Along with that, we also saw how the ingredients were placed, how they were doing the whole preparation, and how the video was uploaded. Everything was part of presentation. Then, as Suvarna said, availability of the ingredients in this lockdown period was also taken into account, that everything should be available at the nearby grocery store. The ease was of preparation, so that everybody can try out the recipes, and we all are trying them out. So actually now we have 25 or little more dishes which we can try throughout the year. Nutritional value is also very important, because we all are doctors, and we always are very much interested in the nutritional values of whatever we eat. So we took into account all the nutritional value, fiber content, protein, minerals, vitamins, everything while judging. And actually the judges' vote were given to the most innovative ideas, because two were very difficult dishes. So we gave more marks on the judges' side for those preparations. And we also have more marks where the preparation was done from the scratch, like not ready-made stuff was added, but everything was done at home. So all these points were taken into account while judging. I hope that everybody is happy with the judgment they get, and we have done a very sincere job at doing the judgment. And I would love if we get to eat some of these goodies someday when the lockdown is over.
Sure, madam. We'll do a big party.
Till then, you can try it at home and judge for yourself.
Yes, that I'm doing.
Here is been a surprise award for the audience of this meeting. So we are coming to the second audience poll. So What is the total number of participants in the contest? A23, B24, C25, D26. Please type your answer A, B, C, D. Hope you all have answered this. Dr. Mukesh? Dr. Mukesh? Okay.
Yes, Dr. Mukesh.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Probably, yeah. So, can you tell us the result of the first audience poll?
The first question was there were three top contestants: Dr. Sachin sir, Dr. Geeta ma'am, and Dr. Varsha.
Okay.
For the second question was again Dr. Geeta, Dr. Nikita, and Dr. Aparna.
Okay. Congratulations, our audience. You get some prize once the rundown is over.
Seema, your voice is cracking a little.
All the participants were truly brilliant and they had come up with a brilliant idea. So this is a surprise for all the participants. So first surprise, like Dr. Arundhati Pandey. So we say that she created dish, jacket potato. See, we never thought of baking stuffed potatoes. So we named her as a most paneer on spinach POS.
Seema, excuse me, Seema. Excuse me.
Ingredients out of the box.
Why don't you take over?
Seema, your voice is cracking. We can't hear you anything. Here are some special awards. So, most innovative dish award goes to Dr. Varsha Dharmadikari for paneer.
Congratulations, Varsha.
Congratulations. Before that, there was the most. Can you show Pranjali or Seema? Can you show the dish before this? There were these special awards. Yes, this was the most creative dish, jacket potato. This was by Dr. Arundhati Pandey. Okay, now you go to the next one after Varsha's. Yeah, this was Dr. Varsha's most innovative dish, paneer on spinach.
Wow. That's Varsha.
Then this was the most delicious dish. Looking at that, stuffed spinach by Dr. Geeta Vasandani. Then Chatpate POS cutlet. Yeah, this was Dr. Geeta's. Next is, this is Dr. Anjali's POS nutritious dish. And then this special dish by Dr. Subhash Bijlani, chicken.
The crown
Then
prince.
Dr. Anjali Mankar got this. Then POS healthiest dish went to Dr. Shobna Shahaji. This was the healthiest dish that was decided by the nutritional value and all. So these are special awards, and after this lockdown, we are going to have a big award function, actual award function. So this was Monica's dish, the most tempting international dish. It was the hummus pita. So that was the international award for you, Monica.
Thank you.
Next one, please.
Next is again the audience poll.
Okay.
For the contest.
So these were the special awards for some participants. Now we go to the audience poll.
How this contest helped you to create positive vibes around you? 1 yes, 2 no, 3 maybe. Please type your answer in the chat box as 1, 2 or 3.
माझा एक फोटो काढ.
Go to the next slide, please.
माधुरीचा काढला म्हणून ते असं.
Yeah, just wanted to ask in this poll, does anybody has an answer of saying no? I mean, is there an option of saying no?
क्या बीचा देख.
You shouldn't have kept that option. Anybody who answers that is disqualified.
See, can you see this Mukesh's enthusiasm? Last around 10-11 months, we are working together, planning all activities of POS, and he is always full of energy. And I used to wonder where this energy comes from. And then I got the answer when I saw this dish, and most of the participants have seen this dish. This is a special dish from Bhavisha, Mukesh's better half, and we specially invite Bhavisha to you. Great. Welcome.
Hello.
Hello. Please speak loudly, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good evening.
This is good evening. So this is a special dish. She is a great chef. So may I ask you, Bhavisha, to share a few tips about this special dish that you have made for MasterChef POS?
First of all, thank you very much for appreciating this red velvet cake. I literally made it from the scratch. Very few things I had available at home. Actually, this is without convection.
You want the recipe?
Sorry, ma'am.
You want recipe?
Right away.
Ma'am, we have already, we will post the recipe 100%. She'll share the main highlights that it was without the convection microwave.
Oh.
Yeah, it was without the convection, and without hand mixer, the frosting which you can see, the cream, I literally used hand beater with for frosting, and this is of. Hello.
Yeah, then we can hear you.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any questions other than recipe, so that I can share basic tips and tricks for it?
Yeah. Yeah. My question would be, when are you sending it to my place? That's my question. I'm just waiting for this cake
Waiting
to
for
arrive.
lockdown to get over. You'll get many more. I've recently tried lemon cake as well. It was really yummy, and donuts also. Wheat donuts I tried. I'll send you across. Don't worry.
Want to see all the 3 items.
Sorry.
Send the recipe of all the 3 items.
Yes, sure.
I want cinnamon buns.
Huh?
Cinnamon buns.
Cinnamon buns.
Cinnamon buns. Yes, I'll try it. I haven't tried it yet, but surely on my list now.
It was great, Bhavisha. We are waiting for your recipe. You please upload
yes.
on the group. We are inviting you to the POS MasterChef WhatsApp group. So please join that group and give us all the tips.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Bye. See you all.
Yeah, bye. We wish also a few of our esteemed audience to share their views if they want. Dr. Ladi, Dr. Taswala, Dr. Prabodhini, if you have joined. How did you find the contest?
Definitely. Gitanjali, can I speak?
Yes, you can.
Yeah. And it was one of the most innovative ideas to start and have the positive vibes all over. Fantastic recipes by all the ladies. In fact, I have never eaten so many recipes. Definitely like to go home at their house or have a collective place where we can have this. Dhaba bana ke acha POS ka dhaba bana do, and let's have all these dishes all together. Let's have a party post lockdown.
Thank you.
As early as possible. POS dhaba bana do yaar ek.
Jignesh da dhaba.
Jignesh da dhaba. POS Jignesh da dhaba.
Gitanjali, Dr. Gitanjali.
Very innovative.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes, Dr. Ladi.
Hi,
Thank you, sir.
congrats to you for the innovative idea and doing it so well, beautifully. But I must say that this is not over till the time we get to test it.
Yes.
Okay, have fun. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you. Over to you, Seema and Pranjali. Please go ahead.
Dr. Shobna Shahji wants to say something. She has raised her hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dr. Shobna?
Wait a minute.
And there's Dr. 1+70. I don't know the doctor's name. They have also raised their hand. They can speak.
You can unmute yourself, Dr. Shobna, or
Can you hear me?
yes, we can. We can.
Actually, I'm not very prone of Zoom, so I just raised the hand because you shown my recipe as the healthiest one.
Okay.
Pressing the number 3 also, it took me 2-3 minutes to see where to press it.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay, Shobna.
So we'll become techno savvy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that now.
I guess now we are presenting some Queen Awards. They are some queens, right? Pranjali,
Yeah, now
please
coming
go ahead.
to Queen's MasterChef Awards. This is Dr. Smita Yabdi for her. She's POS Cake Queen. She came up with mango upside down with orange like a cake. It is such delicious, tempting dish. I think it's better than a professional chef also. It's wonderful.
Congratulations, Asmita.
Second, Dr. Arundhati Kale Siddaye. She is POS Snack Queen. She came up with Paushtik cutlets. So great for tea time or tiffins. And it was nutritious too. Coming to the next.
Congratulations, Arundhati.
Dr. Manasi Godbole, POS Desi Queen. She came up with modified vegetable potti. I was completely taken aback by her traditional style of cooking on sool. So at the same time, she had cooked chicken also on the other sool. Dr. Rashmi Barve, Cool POS Salad Queen. He came up protein pasta salad. This was a very quick, nutritious salad rich in proteins. Congratulations, ma'am. Okay.
This was Dr. Sangeeta Wak for the POS Dessert Queen. Orange Apricot Delight. Yeah, congratulations. To all the queens of POS.
Ma'am, this was Dr. Nikita Tripathi. She's POS Tacos Queen. She made paneer tacos, which is delight for everybody and especially kids will really like it.
I guess Pranjali, she's Nitika and not Nikita.
She's Nitika.
She's Nitika.
Nitika. Okay,
Yeah,
sorry for
she's
that,
Nitika.
Sorry.
Congratulations, Nitika. And then this beautiful lady, Aparna.
Dr. Aparna Vaidya.
She's
a POS
starter queen.
POS starter queen. Green
also
peas
got a special
potli.
crown,
Was-
I must
Yeah,
say.
she has got a special crown.
Yeah.
Well deserved.
That's it. Congratulations to all the POS queens. Then again, audience poll. Should POS conduct such non-academic activity? 1, definitely yes. 2, definitely no. 3, once in a while.
This is like a feedback form so that we can, organize our future programs accordingly.
Was definitely by almost everyone.
There is no prize for this. This is just for feedback. Oh, Prabodhini, you are there. Okay.
Dr. Subhash and Dr. Abha ma'am have suggested that it should be there always once in a while.
Yeah.
Always once in a while.
Always once in a while. Yeah.
Once in a while.
Okay.
Some more titles and awards.
These are some special titles. Coolest POS.
Yeah, Dr. Ketan just joined on the day of the contest, that too 1 hour after the contest begins, and I was like, he must be one of the audience. But then when he raised his hand to post the dish, we were surprised. So he came up with kadai paneer. So coolest master chef, I guess.
I think we should say hottest, because his dish was quite hot.
Dr. Rujuta Machwe, she has used all the POS ingredients: potato, oats, and spinach. So she is POS smartest master chef.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Rujuta.
Thank you.
And Dr. Seema, it was very sweet of her to join us all the way from Australia with Chole Bhature. So POS International Master Chef. Then Dr. Shubhangi Kulkarni, that was POS Master Chef for her paydays.
Payday queen.
Yeah, she had joined from Loni.
Yes.
Faculty at Pravara Medical, and she was very enthusiastic to join for this contest. Yeah, congratulations, Shubhangi.
Yes, ma'am.
I think she took part in the singing competition also.
Yeah.
Dr. Savita Bhatt, POS Delight Master Chef. We really appreciated her participation because her back was hurting, and she came out with superb eggless chocolate cake that day. It was very tempting. And Dr. Sarika Sethia, she came up with Haryali Paneer Tikka, which was very easy to cook, and she had presented her slides very well, and the decoration was out of the box.
So she gets the award of best presentation.
Yes. Congratulations.
Good, congratulations.
Then Dr. Pradeep Damle, POS MasterChef Special Award for Best Men. He gave us 2 dishes, POS Punch with orange paneer.
I think
so it was a good job, sir. We can surprise our better halves with the drink as well as the dish.
So he
The better half should make the drink for us.
Yes. Okay, the next question coming to the contestants. Dr. Pooja Goel, are you there? Dr. Pooja Goel?
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah. Was it mentally refreshing, this contest?
It was very at all angles was refreshing.
I can't hear. Your voice is cracking.
I have never. Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, now you are audible.
Yeah, now.
I have not been a cook. Chef is far away. Not even been a cook, but lockdown has given some free time to walk into the kitchen. And I remember Dr. Sharma, she was after me to following up for me to enter the contest and join the group. And I was like, I don't have any vegetables with me. What am I going to cook? And then one day before, I was like, okay, let's open up the kitchen, let's open up the fridge and see. And I was standing in front of the fridge, I could find some spinach and some sweet corn in the deep freeze. Let's make something out of it. So it was challenging and refreshing.
That was great.
Instead of holding a 15 plate, I was holding a knife. So it was a lot of fun also.
Yeah, thank you so much. Dr. Rujuta Machwe?
Yes. Hello, everybody.
Yeah. Hi. How did you manage to get all the POS ingredients in this lockdown?
The thing is that I had decided that I will do all the 3 P, O, and S. And to be healthy, I needed spinach. And I waited for one day, and then I thought, if I don't get spinach, I'll do something else. But luckily, the next day on Saturday, I got the content which I wanted very much, and I was lucky to have it.
Yes.
Great.
Yeah, it was great because you were the one who had all the ingredients. It was an awesome
Yeah.
course dish. Yeah, thank you so
Yeah,
much.
spinach bean nutrition. I wanted it so
I
much.
Yeah, it was healthy, nutritious, and delicious as well, I guess. Okay, on the day of contest, Dr. Manjiri Nathu had some spontaneous poem for this event. So let's listen to it. Seema? I think it's not running.
Yes, Manjiri is there. She can recite the poem for us.
Manjiri Nathu, are you there? Dr. Manjiri Nathu?
She's muted, unmute.
Hello. Yes.
Hello.
I think they can't play your recorded poem, so you can recite it for us.
Yeah, just a minute. I have to find it out, search it.
I think we may be having it on our phone.
Yeah, anyone can have on WhatsApp, actually, WhatsApp group. Anyone can play the.
So we'll send a video on WhatsApp. I request Secretary Dr. POS Dr. Mukesh to announce the winners of the contest. Dr. Gitanjali Sharma, can you?
Gitanjali ma'am?
Yes.
Can you just take over for the winners?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So we are first declaring runners up or the winners?
Yes, ma'am, runners up. And then the
So
winners.
first we go for the runners up.
Yes.
Yeah. So the second runners up is? Just have the slide. Yeah, that goes to Dr. Pooja Goel for spinach corn quesadilla. That was a fantastic dish.
Yeah.
Pooja, you said you are not used to kitchen, but you made a fantastic dish. She had a lot of problems for ingredients because she stays in a place which is completely sealed. So claps. The first runners up goes to Dr. Manjiri Nathu for POS pizza. That is great. Congratulations, Dr. Manjiri Nathu. And now we go to the winner of the first ever POS online MasterChef contest. So who is the lucky one? Even I don't know. Oh, POS MasterChef goes to Dr. Suni Abraham, multigrain breezy. Yeah, dosas. Dosas. Yeah. Okay, POS. So, Suni, heartiest congratulations. But I guess there is a tie. Yeah, there is a tie. And so our second winner is POS MasterChef Dr. Shilpa Patil for oats paneer beetroot tikki. So these are the great winners. Shilpa Patil, Suni Abraham. Heartiest congratulations to both Dr. Suni and Dr. Shilpa for your innovative and very nutritious and out-of-the-box ideas dishes.
Now the time for the audience. So the next question is, were there? Before, please start your answer in the chat box.
Can Shilpa Patil say a few words if she is there?
Yeah, Dr. Suni and Dr. Shilpa, can you share your views and
Giving the answers, please share your experiences.
Hello.
Yes.
Can you hear me, ma'am? Shilpa here.
Yeah, we can hear you. Please say a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Actually, the motivation was my kids because they don't eat. I have one about to be teenager, other one is toddler. So I always need a dish which is, made quickly so that they don't trouble me, and I have to make sure that they are going to eat it easily. non-spicy and healthy. So that is how I keep innovating and modifying those things.
Okay, that was a great idea. And what about Dr. Suni? Are you there?
I would like
Ma'am,
to say,
I'm here. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, we can hear you. Please share.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy that I got selected. I always thought I am out of the box one because I can't speak Marathi and all.
No.
Food has no language barriers.
So I was just thinking what to do. Even I am one who does all the work within an hour and finish all my work, and then I manage somehow to go to my clinic and do the work there and then come back. I have two boys, so they always want to eat something which is very nice, and they are used to eating it like that because I always do a morning shift and a evening shift OPD. So they are like always used to eating all good foods. So I was also into the habit of making good food all the time. So I also enjoy eating. That
yours was a very, Suni, yours was a very, very nutritious dish, full of goodies, and it was very nice. I would like to say something about Shilpa Patil because the ease of getting ingredients. She has used everything which was available and homemade. Even the paneer she made herself. So that was one thing which I liked a lot. Even the ghee which she used, she had said that it was homemade. So she has made everything from scratch, including the paneer. So, and the shape of the cutlet was in the shape of the eyes. So that was really innovative.
Okay.
So many congratulations to the winners, but to be very frank, winning comes with an caveat. So all the winners are legally bound to serve us the dishes whenever this COVID thing is over.
Mukesh,
Yeah,
you
definitely.
can
I
say that
enjoy
the
cooking.
prizes will be ratified after we've tasted all the dishes.
Oh yes, certainly.
Otherwise, बदल भी सकता है विनर, ऐसा बोलो.
I thank you all and I heartiest congratulations to all winners, Suni, Shilpa, Pooja, Manjiri, and all of the participants who joined for this contest because everyone is a winner. There is one small thought which I wish to share from this platform, that every one of us gets this great satisfaction, how Shilpa said, how Suni said, that whenever we cook and we feed our kids, we serve to our family, the great satisfaction that we get. So what we feel that can we take this idea still further and we help those who really need food. So as a group of MasterChef POS, we can have some ideas to help someone needy who is in need of food. So this we can have this discussion on our WhatsApp group, and we can come up with ideas maybe for an old age home, maybe for doctors who are working for COVID, maybe for an orphanage, maybe for police who are working day and night right now.
Yeah.
So we can do something for them. So love in heart, purity in soul, food for all. Let's pray all. I request all of you stay safe, stay home, and enjoy and try to be happy and bring smile to everyone. I guess the main winner is POS because it's a big family and the whole family with happiness we have won this contest as a whole family. I thank all the judges. I thank all the participants. I thank audience, the enthusiastic audience. And most important is Pranjali, Seema and Mukesh. Let me now ask Dr. Sachin Kabra to say vote of thanks for this event.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. And the outset, like to thank our president, Anjali ma'am, for the beautiful idea, and Mukesh, Pranjali, and Seema for the excellent execution as well. But it is often said that a food is a source of energy. But I felt that now energy was the source of food here. Because the raw human energy in all of us just came out in the form of food. And let's clap all of us for a wonderful human being for being making this food. A special thanks to our judges, Dr. Jadhar ma'am, Dr. Surana Joshi ma'am, Dr. Bagli ma'am, excellent judges. And congrats to all the winners. I'm happy to see that a retina surgeon is a joint winner. So kudos to all retina surgeons also. Well, the participants were making dishes, but at a hindsight, I thought that a lot of beauty also on the display. So I was confused as a food contest or a beauty contest. So maybe next time you can, maybe next time. So maybe you can have a beauty contest next time, ma'am. And
Sure.
yeah.
Point noted, Dr. Sachin. Point noted. You will be the judge. One of the judges will appoint you
It
as
will
the judge.
difficult for me to judge, ma'am. All are so beautiful. Okay. And one more thing, on this, I'm very happy to add to my list because I'm bored of typing the offline webinars now. So let's have webinar for food also. And thank you for such a beautiful human beings. Let's have all of us. All is a winner, and let's stay beautiful in the lockdown. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.